Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Mastery. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Have you ever heard someone say break a leg and wondered why on earth they would wish that? Well, stick around because we're going to break down this quirky phrase and uncover its true meaning. Whether you're learning English or just love quirky phrases, this one's for you. Let's get started. A piece of cake. Something that is very simple or easy to accomplish. How did the driving test go? It was a piece of cake. I passed with flying colors. To nick something. To steal something. My pen is gone. I swear someone nicked it. Check with Tom. He's always nicking pens. Break a leg. A way to wish someone good luck. I'm really nervous about my audition today. You'll do great. Break a leg. Cheap as chips. Very inexpensive. How much did you pay for that? Only $5. It was cheap as chips. Not my cup of tea. Something that you don't like or aren't interested in. Do you want to watch the football match tonight? No thanks. Football's not my cup of tea. Bob's your uncle. Used to indicate that something is simple or straightforward. How do I get to the train station? Turn left at the end of the street, and Bob's your uncle. You're there. Don't get your knickers in a twist. Don't get overly upset or agitated. I can't believe they changed the schedule again. Don't get your knickers in a twist. It'll all work out. The bee's knees. Something excellent. Have you tried that new restaurant? Yes, it's the bee's knees. The food is fantastic. To take the biscuit. To be the most remarkable or foolish example of something. He forgot his own birthday. That really takes the biscuit. Full of beans. Energetic and lively. Your dog's so playful today. Yes, he's full of beans this morning. A storm in a teacup. an overreaction to a small problem. Everyone's making such a fuss about that email. It's just a storm in a teacup. There's no need to worry. Chuffed to bits. Extremely pleased or happy. I got the promotion. That's brilliant. You must be chuffed to bits. Throw a spanner in the works. To cause problems or disrupt a plan. We were all set to launch the product, but the supplier delayed the shipment. That really throws a spanner in the works. As right as rain. In good health or feeling fine. You were feeling ill yesterday. How are you now? I'm as right as rain. Thanks for asking. To have a butcher's. To have a look at something. Can you help me with this report? Sure, let me have a butcher's. A different kettle of fish. A completely different situation or issue. I thought managing a team would be easy. Managing people is a different kettle of fish compared to working solo. And that's it for today's video. Now you know that saying break a leg is actually a way to wish someone good luck. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed learning about this idiom, why not try using it the next time? Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who love learning English, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.